Man, this is my first time using a live account in futures. Um Started out with $500. I'm currently up almost 200 right now. And I honestly just want to thank God for the skill set in developing this skill of day trading. Um I was super nervous doing this. You could see how many times I got in, got out. Um, Man, nerves is like going ham right now. But I was like, you know what? Let me turn on some worship music. You can't hear it because I put it in my headphones right now. But man, I needed something. I was like, goodness, my nerves is just taking over. Even now, you can still kind of probably hear it in my voice. It's a little shaky, but this is going to be my biggest trading day on a live account. I guess if you count, what do you call it, options, then maybe not, because I was trading options, and yeah, so this might not be the biggest. What are we at? 640. Do I want to lose 48? Did we pull back yet? As soon as we pull back, I might get out, maybe get back in, or keep it right there. Maybe I'm thinking right here. But yeah, nerves is kind of going ham. But you know what? We're just gonna. I think we're still gonna hit the high on this trade, but I'm thinking about possibly re-entering. Don't want to be greedy, but the risk to reward rise wise, I think we can hit all the way up here. So really, I would have been trailing down here, but I'm trailing very safe. So what I wanted to do was trail out and then get back in with a safe stop loss. So I'm entering in off of that. I'm gonna have my stop loss here. If this trade is lost, then we are done for the day. The only red flag on this is it looks like we have kind of equal lows right there. So yep, kind of on here it doesn't look as equal, so we might be fine. We did make a higher high, so that is good. Hopefully it's not a sweep. We are in a zone where we may get some rejections, kind of like in this area, but I still think overall we're gonna go up and take those highs and maybe even pump even higher. So this is kind of like the zone we may get some reacting out of, but I think we're going to push through it with some aggression. These lows are fairly equal on this platform, but not on here. Like, they're still fairly equal, but strong push up. I'm gonna keep my stop loss under there. There is a no wick candle right here, so kind of a red flag on the play. Kind of want to get out, to be honest, but let's see where that's at. It's right under here, so maybe we leave it and see if we can reject out of here, or maybe we don't even come down all the way and take it, but we'll see. We might come back into this candle. So what I'm gonna do is, if I can really quickly, I'm gonna move it under here, and let's see if that is like an imbalance. Yes, that's an imbalance on the 3-minute, which would give us a good room to the upside. So this is demand. But man, I'm just thankful to God for being able to develop this skill. Now I've had better days on funded accounts, but trading live is a whole different experience. Like live capital, whole different experience. So gotta get rid of those nerves and just trade how I normally trade. So that's what I'm trying to do here. We're pushing through this imbalance well. This was a 5-minute, did cause us a 5-minute break of structure to the downside, but we do have a 5-minute imbalance that is formed right here as well. So Kind of want to see that hold for us. And if we're stopped out of this one, then we're going to be done for the day 100%. So you can see kind of where we have our stop loss within that 5-minute imbalance. I'm expecting a little rejection from this area, and then for us to take these equal highs. So we also have an SMT inside of here. That is not what you want to see. So we kind of want to see the S&P catch up very quickly right in here. If it doesn't, then that means we're probably going to head to the downside. We want to see the S&P just push through here, kind of break out. And that would allow the NASDAQ to then take the high. So we are slowing down in price inside of here, which makes me think we're going to go take that or tap into this area. But we'll see. We're kind of even in price right now in this area. So whichever side we break out of, we may get a continuation. You can see the highs right here pushing us to the downside. We may come down, tap into this area, which is still kind of like my demand. And that will tell us if we are correct or not on this move. Let's see. Did it take us out? No, we're still in. We're in the negative right now. Negatives 18, 19. We can go a little bit lower, but I want to see this sweep and then a continuation to the upside. But really, I just made this video for one, documentation, maybe to give another YouTube video out, but also just to thank God, just to give God all the glory, the honor, and the praise, and what He's doing in my life. So that is what we wanted to see. Now the only problem is now we have another candle with no wick right here. So we may reject and continue down a little bit further. Or maybe we get a strong push to the upside, take these highs, and then come for that. Let's see, there's a little supply in this level. Now we see there's also kind of like equal highs in here. We had a small sweep and then a strong push. Let's actually look at our position. We're now in profit a little bit. Now it's even. Let's see what happens when we hit this supply. Gave a slight rejection there. But the overall profit target is this area. We're kind of rejecting sweeping. I'm going to see what we can do. But that is kind of what I was expecting. I'm going to draw it out. So let's see if we can get a push through these highs and take out all of the equal highs. So we got close to tapping it right there. We did tap into this area of liquidity though. So now the question is, do we go take the highs first after reacting from this, or do we go and take this low? We're in profit $17. All right, here we go. This is I'm gonna calculate my profit target now. I'm probably gonna end it like up here. Now we are rejecting. This is 905. That will be 36 plus 5, so that's about 40 points times 2. That will be another 80. Don't like the rejection there, but that's what we expected, of course, a potential of that. Now the question is, do we respect here, or do we go through it and take that low? Oops, clicked the wrong thing. So this will be a sweep right here. Now, can we come into this area, respect it, and continue up, or maybe even respect this? We could come down, sweep this candle, and then go back up. What would also be nice is if we could get a slower push down from this area to then sweep. Slow price action equals essentially rejection. So this is a rejection right now off of the order block on the 1 minute time frame. But we also have this area of sellers that are in the market. And I call it a seller's wick. So we rejected off the order block. Now we have buyers here versus sellers here. All right, I feel like we might push down now. We're up 14. This is 24. We're risking 48 on this position. Is it worth it? Really, we're risking like 50. So we're gonna reduce the risk 53 to 63. That'll be 1122 plus the profit. So that's about $30 worth of a risk. With that no wick candle though, I want to kind of be under that. I'm going to do what I think I should do and stay with my original plan and keep my stop loss down here, because I've been in situations like this, and this is just me trading off of emotion or P&L versus off of what I truly think is the right way or what's going to happen. So you can see we're kind of slowing down in price, slowing down, chopping around. This whole entire area is essentially consolidating. So now, do we hold or do we fold? This is pushing us down. This area is trying to push us up. So I'm going to get out. I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait till I have more confirmation that we're going to go up. What I think is going to happen is I think we're going to come down and take this candle before anything and then go back up. And there's no point in me taking unnecessary drawdown or unnecessary risk off of this trade setup / continuation. The order block's pushing us up. This trend line's kind of holding us up as well. But you can see we're getting pushed down in this area. So consolidating. We'll probably do something like this, consolidation, giving a reaction off of here, coming back down, tapping into an unmitigated level of demand, potentially pumping up. Or maybe we break this, close strong, push up. Or we come in, reject, go back down, take it, and then go up. Possibilities are endless. So it looks like we're holding structure at the moment. But this candle is just a red flag for me. So this would be the risk that I'll probably be taking. Now taking a look at ES is still moving very slow. We do have a little supply there as well. I'm not entering it off of that because it has a small wick at the top, which means we could still potentially reject and go down. I want to see like a candle close. Extremely bullish. And honestly, I'm up. Oh, ooh, okay. Well, yeah, I'm out of the move. That's unfortunate. 65 to 40. That would have been like almost another 80 bucks. But it is what it is. Maybe should have trusted my bias, but I don't know if it was worth the risk. So that's why I got out. But I'm gonna be done for the day. That's all for this video. I hope to see you guys again in the next one.